Okay, so now we're dealing with velocity. Velocity is the distance in a stated direction traveled over a certain amount of time. And I have my fancy drawing here, and I have north, south, east, and west. So if this boat is traveling in this direction, we would say it's traveling east, and it did so in 10 minutes from port A to point B, right? I meant to put port B, but okay, you get it. Now, if I had a distance, I can say they traveled 10 meters in 10 minutes. Anytime we're dealing with velocity, the distance is always in meters and the time is in seconds. So in this case, you have 10 minutes, you would have to convert to seconds, right? And so what I would say, we all know that 1 minute contains 60 seconds, right? So therefore 10 minutes will contain what? 10 times 60 give you 600 seconds, right? Now, right? So now we're not really concerned about this. This is something else later on when we start to add numbers and start to make you say, why did I choose this subject? And nobody cares. At this point, we just need to transpose for velocity. If velocity is equal to distance in a stated direction over time, then what is d? What is distance equal to if we have velocity and time? Again, you just move it up and you would have vt equals to d, or d is equal to v times t. Now suppose we want to find distance. Oh no, suppose we want to find time, right? We can straight up go from this section where we have vt equals to d, but we're not going to do that. We're going to keep on the straight and narrow. If v is equal to d over t, and you want to find what time would be equal to, you could nicely transpose again, put v over 1, right? We move t up. You don't have to move 1. It just gives you an idea of where to move t. And you would have vt is equal to d, just like in this area. However, t has a friend that doesn't need to be there, which is v. So put all of this over 1 and you will move v diagonally down, which would give you t equals to d over v. Pretty cool. So v is equal to d over t, d is equal to v times t, and t is equal to d over v.